Hello friends, in today's video we are thrifting for outdoor decor and things that can help get an outdoor space organized. So this looks like a promising aisle. We have some fans. Just gonna take a look and dive in on some of these things. Oh my gosh, they're heavy. That's neat though. Under the counter wine rack. $30. So maybe $30 for that whole thing. That's pretty good. There's a bunch of extra lighting. So this is definitely the type of stuff that I know they typically have, which is the excess inventory. Looking for a deal on that kind of thing, this is the place to go. So wood display, fireplace. Okay, so it's a mantle. Oh, nice. And then the sides. Wow, for $120, and that's pretty good size. Got a couple of fireplace accessories. All right, I'm not seeing any more shelving over here, so let's keep it moving. But here's another look at the store. Tons of furniture. Some really nice sofas and chairs. I know over there is some of the more small home decor, so might be able to find some shelves over there. Oh, and actually I see a bunch of stuff against the wall there that might have it as well. We have a little greenhouse that we created out of old windows and various other recycled elements. So looking to organize that and my daughter's toys that are sprinkled around the yard. It would be nice to be able to organize that as well. So that's kind of what we're checking out today. I also want to share some fun things that you can use as decorations for an outdoor space or garden. Something like this pegboard would actually be really great because then we can put some hooks into it and organize some of the tools and supplies that are in there. So that's something I'm going to keep an eye out for. And then over here we have some different types of hooks and various things that we could use to hang things with. Which utilizing any of the vertical space is definitely what I would like to do in there because it is a big mess. And these are only $1 each. I don't know how much those are normally, but $5 seems pretty good for 6-pack of giant hooks. It says for bicycle, but obviously you could use that for other things. Oh yeah, ladder, tool, bicycle, screw. Very nice. Also $5 each. More tools. Some bolt pretty nice shears there.
It's a bolt cutter.
Even these actually could be some really great things for us to use in there because we just really need some help with organizing. And bins are always a really good way to go when it comes to organizing. $2. Might have to get a couple of these. Maybe even, I don't know if we need the larger one, but a couple of these little guys could be perfect. We already have a door to the greenhouse, but if you were doing like David did and building your own, this would be a really good place because look at all the selection of doors. Okay, I think I've exhausted this area and trying to find some things for the greenhouse or just organizing outside. So let's head over to more of like the home decor section and see what they've got. Yeah, I don't know if this is for sale, but I just noticed this in the corner. And this is the kind of thing that could really help us out. We've got one in there currently, but even just having this go all the way around the top could be really useful. So let's see, is there a price on this? I feel like maybe this is just for the store and helping them organize. I'll let you guys know if I find a price. Actually, yeah, that would fit in there, but I think I see store use only. That's okay. But something like this would be great. Plastic, it's not gonna rust or have any trouble being outside. But that's okay. I know I can find these things at regular stores, but you guys know by now The whole aim is to find it for a better deal. That's why we thrift. What's this? Not sure. Some more bins. Ooh, actually, in organization, I was thinking about putting her toys and stuff in a bin outside. Look at this big boy. Oh my gosh, for only $6. I don't know if its lid is somewhere around, but that's awesome. Trying to get a better look at this and see, oh my gosh, and it has wheels. I don't think I see a lid. Another view at all of these lovely bins, but most of these larger ones, unfortunately, don't have lids. So far, no luck with the shelving or the bins. So let's go to this home decor section of the store and see. Ooh, is there some behind me? Let's look. Alrighty, so here's some more shelving that again, I don't see a price for. So I may just have to ask somebody about this, but I've got some little wood pieces, but I'm not really looking for wood. We've got some extra wood that David could use to make some shelves in there, but that wire shelving really is just nice and durable for being outside. But look at all of these goodies over here. Some artwork. See some pillows over there. Some gorgeous lamps and such. Ooh, look at this. I can never get enough of those. Look like there might be some fun artwork in here. $1.50. Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
That's a cool print though.
Yeah, I like this one too. All that architecture.
$40.
Oh. Oh, because it's a fine art. Piece of fine art. Look, originally $2.95. Certificate of authenticity provided. Yeah, that's neat. Always notice these frames from afar, and everyone's always like, oh, where do you find such cool frames? You just have to do a little bit of digging. Let's see how much this is, if I can get this other little guy out of there. Oh gosh, that was a close one. Let's see. I'll try to see, but could put a nice picture in there. I see that it's made in Taiwan, but I do not see a price. But anywho, just gotta look. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, another one. Now that other one was wooden. I think this one's plastic, but still. Can find some hidden gems. Ooh, mirrors. Let's look at that. I mean, that's a pretty big, nice mirror. 20 bucks. Oh, cool. I'll come get a closer look at that. So David saw some fun stuff over here. Look at these. Oh, it looks like someone's maybe buying this one. Oh, yeah. These are fantastic for like the fence and just adding some artistic flair to that. So $30, and you know, I'm not sure if they have some type of discount going on possibly with the colors like some of the other stores do, but look at that. That design is just really cool. I think all of these might be the same. Let's see. Yeah. So far, this one maybe looks a little different, or no, that's all the same, isn't it? Still really cool, and there's so many. Hand carved, made in India. Cool. Here's another look at one of those, just so you guys can see the scale of that. It's pretty large. Like, here's my hand. there's that. Sign discounted orange tags, not discounted are the red stickers. So I saw some planters over here, so of course I had to come check it out a little closer. But something I really wanted to check out and show was this right here. So I love looking at these fun little things because I like to add stuff like this around the garden just as another little artsy touch to some of the things that are outside. And now it kind of looks like it's been broken, but I think that's the effect. But it's very heavy actually. Had to get a closer look at this chest. 150. Oh, it's really nice wood and metal. Ooh, and there's some goodies inside. Look at that thing. That's so pretty. Summertime vibes. Now here's a couple of things, mainly this here that could look cool outside, hung on the fence or wall. What does that say? $9. You've got your elephant and palm trees. I like that. Oh my goodness, I walked past this and now coming back the other way, I noticed it again, and these are just awesome. Look at this old handle here. The detail there, ooh, big, heavy. The handle missing here. I wonder if that would open up. Oh, I can't get it open, but I thought you guys needed to see that. Some of this old furniture is just too cool. Now look at this Beauty and the Beast. I wonder if that's for sale. I bet it is. This giant window is sold, but had to come get a closer look at this gorgeous stained glass. Can always appreciate that. The lighting was a little weird in that store. Plus there were a lot of people around, and I try not to get people in the video because, you know, they may not want to be in the video. But I was wanting to show you those mirrored squares because I have seen in some gardens where people will add a mirror, and of course you want to be careful with where it's placed or the sun, but it can add a very neat artistic element to a garden or outdoor space. So those are definitely some things I would recommend looking for and possibly trying. I hope you enjoyed following us along in this restore. Definitely a cool place to check out. Didn't really find anything that was super helpful for organizing the backyard or the greenhouse, but that's okay. We will continue to look for those things. As always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.